Hello, welcome to special episode of ComfyUI tutorial. In this episode, I just want to tell you that in episode 6, I suggest you to download wrong custom node, okay? For the ControlNet, okay? ControlNet. If you search for control, there will be ControlNet Preprocessor, but there will be two custom nodes to choose. In the previous episode, I recommend that you download this one. It's the wrong one, okay? You should download the bottom one. To fix it, you have to uninstall the previous one first, okay? You click uninstall and it will uninstall ControlNet Preprocessor and click OK. If you already click OK, and you should restart ComfyUI again. Okay, and there will be warning that you don't have this preprocessor, okay? And for now, this one will have red stuff. Don't worry, you just install this one. You just install the preprocessor auxiliary module, okay? This one you click install and restart ComfyUI again. Okay, and it will install something for you, and you just wait. Okay, and for now, you see, it's not error anymore. Now you have this one. You have the right one, auxiliary model, and if you press Q prompt now, it will not error. It still can work. Okay, it can detect face and body as usual. This one can also detect the depth. Okay, and now it can process the case sampler, and the result is the same. Okay, however, the one that changed is the detail of each preprocessor. It has many better ones to choose, okay? So I suggest you to use this one instead, ControlNet Preprocessor auxiliary model. Okay, sorry for suggest you the wrong one in the episode 6. Please download this one instead. Okay, bye bye.